What is up, guys? My name is Alpha SS11, and these two are the hard drives. This is the standard one that comes in your PS3. This is my first ever hard drive. This is my second one, 750 gigabyte storage capacity, that beast right there. But, yeah, these are relatively cheap, so I'm basically just showing you how to install it. This little thing holds a blue screw. It comes in a tab like that. You just do that, unscrew the blue thing. Then you're gonna have this little thing. It's gonna be in the way right here, like so. You're gonna pop that out. Then once you do so, you're gonna have, where is it? I lost it. Oh, it's right here. You're gonna have this little thing. This is the storage of the drive. So yeah, that's where I'm just gonna pop that in there. I think this is the right way. Is this the right way? Which way is the right way? This is the right way. Just slide that in there. I think that's how it goes, right? Get it close up. Okay. I got some dust in there, I know. Really dusty. But anyway, I think that is how you pop that in there. No, it's upside down. Hang on, guys. And girls, I should say. Gotta be very careful. Okay. This just slides in there like so. Alright. So the blue part goes in like that. So I'm gonna screw that in and all that. I just wanted to show you guys how to do all this, even though I didn't show you guys myself. So see you guys later. My name is Alpha11. Be sure to subscribe, like if this helps you at all. So see ya.